Hey, previously we implemented the add case, adding to-do items in a text file. In this video we will implement the show case. This is something you can also do on your own, I believe, because it will be the same code, basically, that we wrote previously. With the difference that here all we have to do is read operations. So let's see how we approach this problem. What we have so far is we iterate over the to-dos list. However, this will not currently work because if I run this program and I say immediately show, we're going to get an error. So in line 19 in here, it says that name error, name to-dos is not defined. So what happened is we run the program and the program asked us for input, show, edit, complete or exit, or add, and so we entered show, and then the program tried to match the show string. So this is not matched here because this is add, therefore this code was never executed. So the interpreter went to the next case, show. Show was the input we entered, therefore we get this code executed, and there's no variable declaration for to-dos here. Therefore we got this name error. To-dos is not defined. Therefore we need to define to-dos in here. To-dos is equal to what? Well, first creates a file, is equal to open to-dos.txt, the path to the file that has existing to-dos in read mode. And then to-dos is equal to file.readlines. And that's it. Don't forget to close the file, file.close. So once we get the items in a list, you can close the file because the items are now in that variable. So if you close the file, that will not affect the content that is already in that variable. So make a break line perhaps here and try out the code. Show, and here we go. Those are the items. We do see some break lines between these items because what happens is that the file has break lines, right? There is a \n here, there's another \n in here as well, and so on. So break lines. And this loop here, the print function will actually create break lines for itself. So we end up with two break lines. That's why we have this extra break line in here. So what we need to do here is we need to edit the to-dos lists. We need to go to each of the items and remove a \n character from that. We can use list comprehensions to do this, but this is something we will do in the next video tutorial. So for this lecture, this was enough information, and I'll talk to you in the next one. See you there.